to my channel. Today I am doing a super exciting video. I'm so stoked. I am doing one of those videos where you add too much of everything into slime. I saw my girl Talisa Tossell, girl, I'm so sorry. I always just ruin your name. I think I'm saying it right actually, but who knows. So today I am doing my own rendition of this video. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below. Give this video to 7,000 thumbs up for a part 2 of this video, and comment down below your ideas of how I could do this video differently. I have some ideas in my head right now, but comment down below some ideas to like do a little spin on this video, because I'm open to hear the ideas. I really am. And I have 2 giveaways going on right now, and they are the same rules to enter. If you want to win slime supplies and or back to school supplies, the rules are go follow me on both of my Instagrams at nicholejacklyn and at slimebyjacklyn, and subscribe to this channel you are watching me on right now, Nichole Jacklyn, and subscribe to my vlog channel, Nichole Jacklyn Vlogs. They are both linked down below. I would love to hit 900,000 so much. That'd be so amazing to hit a new milestone. It's my goal for like this summer is to like hit a new milestone, so help a girl out. Honestly, like I want to hit 1 million this year so bad, so like help me reach my dream. That would be like, that's like the dream, like that's like a thing, okay? But yeah guys, let's hop right in to this adding too much of everything into slime video. I'm stoked. I love slime. Y'all seem to love slime. We all just love slime. So let's hop into this video. So first, you guys, I added in these gemstones, and this was honestly probably one of the most crunchiest, satisfying things I've ever done before. I ended up adding in total 2.5 of these giant bags, and it made the slime so crunchy. My clear slime is not clear, it's cloudy. I'm sorry. It's better than white glue. You get the idea. When I added this in, it made it so crunchy, and I was so surprised that all this went into the slime without totally just combusting out, and it somehow was in there still. I don't know. I was so amazed by how much this could hold and how the gemstones held really well. Next, I added in too much Model Magic, and this was so nice. I have actually not used Model Magic in quite some time. I am a solely user of Daiso clay these days, but I used to say Desio clay, TBT. Actually, I had to add in some lotion because the Model Magic is so stiff. I forgot how stiff it is, and you need lotion or you just literally gonna have a giant stiff thing of slime. But I ended up adding in like 4 bricks of this Model Magic, and it made it so incredible. I low-key felt like Talisa Tossell when I was playing with this slime. It is literally, the way that it moved was so her style. I was like, oh god. Next up, I added too much of these metallic pom-poms. I got these from Target, and I bought these in my back to school supplies vlog on my vlog channel. If you guys watch that vlog, you know this is coming. But I ended up adding in 4 total bags of these. And these definitely made the slime super stiff, and more so because they're like literally palms, and when you add too many of them in, it's going to just take over and absorb the slime almost, because I noticed the slime almost grabbed onto the palms a lot. So the more palms I added into there, the less slimy it got and the more just cube-like it became. But it was really fun to play with and had some very satisfying minor little bubble pops and stuff in there. So it wasn't a total fail. It was still really nice. Guys, what should I do with all of these slimes I made? Should I do a slime smoothie of some sorts? How should I do that? Because I have a bunch of totally over added in slimes now, but I don't know what to do with them. So comment down below your ideas. Okay, next we are adding in too many charms, and I have a ton of random charms I've gotten from slime packages over the past year. I have slime charms from Etsy, I have slime charms from Slime by Maddie Ray, Amazon, Christmas charms. I have a ton. I have a random pumpkin one. Guys, I'm so excited for fall. You have no idea. I am so excited. Whoa. Okay, but this was so beautiful. For some reason, it made the slime so, it kind of just like, the way that it fell out was so thin, so it was like my fault, obviously, but this was very satisfying to watch, and I'll let you guys enjoy this clip, but yeah. Next, you guys, I added in too much glitter, and this was so beautiful. If you guys remember, I did one of those videos back in November where I made a DIY giant candle, and if you recognize the color combination, I made a DIY giant mermaid looking candle, and I have a ton of glitter from that still, so I thought I would use it up on this challenge. And after I did this on solely just this piece, I was like, why not put it into the giant tub of slime I was grabbing from? So you guys will see me transition to that later, but this was so beautiful and so satisfying. I love how it's like so mermaidy and just so gorgeous. Comment down below what I should do with all this extra slime, you guys, because I'm seriously at a loss. I have a ton of it just sitting in my apartment now with too much of everything inside of it. So too much of everything slime smoothie, is that a thing? Would that be fun to watch? I don't know. Comment down below, help a girl out. Or should I do like a part 2 of this video and then also do like a slime smoothie combining part 1 and part 2? There's an idea. Comment down below your ideas. Alright guys, if I should do more videos like this where I add too much of everything into slime, comment down below what I should add into slime next. That has not been done yet. Try to like get those creative juices flowing, and yeah. If you have not entered both of my giveaways, subscribe down below to Nichole Jacklyn and Nichole Jacklyn Vlogs, and go follow me on Instagram at Nichole Jacklyn and at Slime by Jacklyn. I will have all the links down below for you guys. They're all linked. The giveaway ends on July 25th. It's international. Once you have entered both giveaways, comment down below your name, your email, and where you are from. Then I can get to like contact you guys if you guys do win. So subscribe down below. Help me hit 900,000. I would love to hit a new milestone so badly. It's all I'm talking about recently in the intros of these videos, but it's fine. But yeah guys, I will see you with a new video very soon. And until then, have a great day. And yeah guys, bye.